Hey everyone, Robert Silver here, and today I've got a quick video for you in which I'm going to be unboxing the GODOX AD200. There are numerous reasons why I decided to get it. I'm going to share that with you later on in another video. As many of you may know, I already own the Adorama Flashpoint Explorer 600. I actually have 3 of them that I use quite often, especially in a lot of my studio shots. So if you've seen on my website or Instagram, I often use those as my primary sources of light, but I decided to get this AD200. I've heard so many good things about it, and it works seamlessly with the wireless remote control and the frequency system, the R2 frequency system that's already installed in all the GODOX or aka Explore units that I have, the Adorama Flashpoint units. So anyway, so I've got two boxes I'm really going to be unboxing. So let's start with the main one. First is the AD200. It comes in a nice heavy box, quite honestly. I got this on Amazon, so check out the link below in the description section, and that is the exact one that I got. It did like 2-day air for free because, you know, Prime. So there you go. I got this package because it came with a lot of goodies. I didn't want to buy a bunch of separate accessories. I just wanted to buy one kit basically, and it came with a lot of cool stuff. So inside the box, we got the manual. I'll figure that out on my own. So, comes with this really nice kind of hard travel case. It's really, I can see if I'm going to be traveling, like later on, I'll be going back to LA later on this year, and New York in June for my Portraits in a Park workshop. So I can just put this really easily in my regular suitcase with all my clothes, with my luggage, not suitcase, with my luggage, and still be able to have plenty of room for my clothes and everything, but yet have an awesome light source to go with me. So here we go. So inside we have, well, the flash unit right here. Very cool. So just to give you a little bit of perspective, here's my hand. I don't have a large hand really, so but anyway, there you go. You can see here's the LCD screen. And this package came with a little grid and barn doors, and that's why I specifically bought this one, because I wanted that. Let's open this up. It comes with, how many is in here? Let's see. Okay. It comes with 1, 2, 3, 4 color filters. Blue, red, yellow, green, and obviously you can mix them up to make different other colors and whatnot. But I'm probably going to end up getting the Mag Mod and using their filters. I just like the magnetic. Those are pretty cool. So anyway, I just love how they're used. So I'm probably going to use the Mag Mod with this unit. But it's cool that I have this anyway. I like to have redundancy and backups. Now, here's the barn door. Very cool. And it has a grid in there. I'm not sure how many degrees this grid is, but it's already in there. So this is going to be real nice. Aside from the fact that you could transport this pretty easily, I wanted to get it because of the fact that for good, easy hair light. So if I do bring an Explorer 600 with me on location, and you can see my on location portrait photography kit in my previous video, or you can press the link up above. But nonetheless, I want to have a good quick hair light, and I could put this in my camera bag. So that was one of the main reasons. So that's pretty cool. I definitely like that. That's pretty dope. All right, so we got that. Let's put that over here. Inside, we also have the charger, which is called a GODOX C29 battery charger. So the replacement batteries are only like $59. On my Explorer 600s, I've shot entire weddings without even going near 30-40%. So those batteries are outstanding. So I expect the same experience with this bad boy here. Maybe not as many, but quite honestly, I'm looking to get, you know, at least 500-600 shots. I've never had a photo shoot with those Explore 600s, and I've run out of power. I've never needed an outlet. So to have that in this compact package is awesome. But if I did, or if you do, want another battery, it's only 59 bucks. I'll post that link down below as well. So there you go. It would just go right into here, and there you go. So as you can see, you have your entire kit right here in this little package. I'm definitely feeling like I made an amazing purchase. I'm very happy so far. Let's put this bad boy in. Cool. There it is. Let's see if I can power this up. Let me see how the hell do I do that. Oh, my bad. So the power is right here, right on the side. I didn't see that. I thought it was back there. So here it is. I'm not sure if you can see, but it's already by default set for TTL. That's another exciting thing. I have a Nikon SB900, and that is TTL. Don't use it often. I'm a huge user of manual flash. To have this as TTL, and I just want to get some quick portraits during sunset and whatnot, I mean, that's pretty amazing. I do like to have that feature, so that's another awesome added bonus. Something I don't have to worry about when I'm out doing some portraits on location. So cool. There you go. Does it come with some juice? Okay. It has almost little or no juice, so I need to charge this. But like I said in another video, I'll do some photos, share with you the kind of lighting that I've been able to produce with this. So right now, let's just turn this bad boy off and keep it pushing. Okay. It comes with a bare bulb flat, a bare bulb, excuse me, right here. And it goes in like so. Whoops. There we go. I don't want to break it already. I know you can get replacements, but knowing me, oh, there it goes. You got to give it a little bit of push. I can feel it. It definitely needs it. But it's in there now. Now, you could take this part off. Oh, here it is. Right there. If you can see that. See if you can see that right there, and then you can take that off. Oh, that was pretty easy. And then slip this bad boy on. Okay, once you get in there, it's solid. It's good to go. So this is great. You can have your speed light. I think I forgot how many degrees this is, but it's probably 70 degrees. I got to figure. I don't want to misquote, but either way. You have your speed light, and then now you have your bare bulb if you want to use this with a softbox, which is one of my biggest intentions in using this, on how I'm going to use it. So I love that to have this, but then this is kind of sweet if I want to do some rim lighting or light up the background of a portrait like I did in my male portrait photography workshop. We used one of these to light the background, and it worked out sweet. So that's pretty cool. You do have to be careful about this because it is glass. You can get a cover for it. It's only like $7. I can post a link down below, or if you're curious, I could definitely share with you that link, and it'll cover this up and protect it a little bit more. But this casing is really padded really well, so I'm not too afraid of that. Now, let's keep it moving. Oh, okay, cool. So obviously that's the power cord for the charger. But here, now this is nice. This little bracket here will allow you to put it quickly right on your any tripod light stand. Now, I like the fact that they included that, because it would be almost pointless if they didn't. But nonetheless, you can immediately buy this kit, and right here attach an umbrella for only, you know, $10 shoot through umbrella or reflective umbrella, wired or silver or whatnot, and immediately start producing some fantastic images and start using a flash. This is at full power, 200 watts a second. Now I'm Explore 600s or 600 watts a second. So I may be able to do much more creative or dynamic or dramatic portraits with that Explorer 600 during harsh lighting conditions, but I can get really far with 200 watts. And if you tend to do portraits in studio or on location inside of let's say at a corporate building, not a corporate building, you know, at an office or something like that, or just indoors in general, this is more than enough for you to get started taking some fantastic portraits using artificial lighting. I am going to always bring this because it's just, again, I like redundancy and I like to have a backup, but I love using soft boxes. So that's what my second box is for. What I got here is the GODOX Bowens S-mount adapter. Now this bracket here is very cool. When I saw it, I was like, all right, I'm definitely getting it. It was only $19. Only $19. I'm a huge proponent when it comes to buying good gear that's only going to help you make money. So 20 bucks is a great investment. And that's what a lot of our gear in photography is what I consider it to be, an investment. So with that said, so here's the simple attachment or bracket adapter, etc. That comes with the GODOX AD200, and then for $19.99 you can get this amazing bad boy where you can put it right on your tripod, on top of your tripod light stand. Put your, let's do it right now. Goes like this. You just put your AD200 or a speed light. You can use a speed light with this too. You put it right through there. Of course, it's not wide enough yet because I'm just assuming it was. Open it up wide. Boom. Snug as a bug in a rug. Tighten it up. You can already attach any of your modifiers that you may have at home. I have at least the most recent one I just bought is Photex's. I think it's a 32-inch octagon foldable softbox. So that means I have a nice portable kit. And as you saw in my previous portrait photography lighting kit video, I have a 38-inch Glow Parapop foldable softbox, and both of those will be able to mount right onto this. And look how compact this flash kit now is. That's amazing. I love it. So I'm excited to use it. I just literally opened it. I had this for like 2 days and didn't want to open it until I opened it for you. In case you do or do not have this, I highly recommend getting either of these two, because that's the key to making the GODOX or Adorama Flashpoint Explorers flash units sing. It's these wireless triggers. Now you could program, I think it's I forgot how many, 16 different units, or I actually mentioned it in the previous video, so just go watch that video and I'll tell you the specs on it. But what I like about it is that now what I can, I'm not sure if you could see this or not, but I can program, depending on which set of lights. I can just say, okay, my hair light are all on B. I could say all my fill light on C, and my key light on A. I could do all sorts of crazy stuff to arrange how I want to control my lighting. And what's great is I mount this bad boy or this one. This one's a little cheaper. I think this is like $20 more, but I like the big LCD screen. As you can tell, with these awesome specs, my eyes are shot. So this screen just didn't do it for me too well, but I still keep it. Why? Redundancy. I love backup, so I always bring that with me, especially on weddings. You never know. But I use this one primarily, but if it goes down, I got that one. But I can control all the flashes. So that means that the AD200, all three of my Explorer 600s, or any other lighting that I wish to acquire from GODOX or Flashpoint that has the R2 wireless transmitting system, I can control right here on top of any of my Nikon cameras. The only time I deal with wires is maybe find an outlet so I can charge my phone. Later on, I'll bring to you some photos I've shot with the AD200 and give you my personal opinion and experience of shooting with it. Right now, I'm going to be planning a couple shoots with this bad boy, a couple opportunities. And when I can, I will be sharing those images with you on Instagram. So feel free to check me out at Robert Silver Photography. Also, I'll post a couple on Twitter too. It's at Rob Silver Photog, Photog. If you have any questions, please post those comments down below. Do you have this unit? Have you heard about it? Have you used it? Let me know what your experience is. If you are thinking about buying a flash unit, feel free to post your question down below. I'll be more than glad to answer any questions I can. If I don't have the answer, I'll find a link or a link to a video. That's right, another YouTube video that can better assist you more than me. I have no problem as long as I can help you. I really appreciate you taking the time, checking out my unboxing. Of course, if you're looking to improve your photography, you could attend any of my upcoming portrait photography and photo editing workshops. All you have to do is go to robertsilverphotography.com, click on workshops for dates and details. I am Robert Silver, and until next time, keep shooting, stay creative.